magical souls, and welcome back to another magical video. I'm so excited to open this month's Witch's Bounty box. Be sure to check them out in the comment section and description box down below so you guys can get yours today. Ooh, I wonder what's in here for this month's box, guys. I am so excited. This black matches the vibe of my blazer. First things first though, I want to see what the theme for this month's box is, because I always get too excited and I never read you guys the theme. So this month's theme is the Cosmic Compass. In a world where confusion and uncertainty swirls through our emotions, we are wise enough to rely upon the certain and pure magical tools that are known for their protective and guiding qualities. It is vital that we continually work to set time aside for working with higher vibrations, revealing ourselves from weathered perspectives and allowing our spirit to walk upon fields of divine essence. While working within ethereal realms, we are able to communicate with guides that may provide a more opportune dimension in which we can pull wisdom from, incorporating these teachings into the pressing realities of our world. In this very exciting collection, we worked with one of the purest stones of them all, the Herkimer Diamond. Join us as we walk the path upon us, the cosmos, during a time of much needed perspective magic. Oh my god, guys, I can't even, I'm stuttering because I'm so excited. I've been looking at Herkimer Diamonds too, and I was really hoping and thinking in my head, please let this be a pendant that's gonna be kind of like a gemstone vibe. I'm so excited, guys. What? A Herkimer Diamond? And it's neat how the theme of this month's called something about the compass. What was it called again? It's called the Cosmic Compass, because I made a ritual with Goddess Nyx for the full moon and it was called Finding Your Inner Compass, so super neat. Cue the big boom. Ooh, this is so beautiful, guys. Compass of Cosmic Consciousness. This Book of Shadows artwork is so beautiful. And what? This is so neat, guys. Look at the thing she's wearing. It's got the pattern on it. I'm wearing a black blazer with a similar pattern. What are the odds? Synchronicities, right? That's so pretty. So I'm sure you guys are like, Eric, get into the box. So let's open the main thing that we all want to see, guys. The pendant for this month. I'm so excited. This is so beautiful, guys. What? This is so cool. It's a Herkimer Diamond, and a little backstory on a Herkimer Diamond, guys. I, long story short, got a really nice one. It was a little bit bigger than this, and I got a whole set of them. I DIY'd me this beautiful Herkimer Diamond necklace, and I was wearing it at work, and I just knew and felt guided this person needed this necklace. They needed the energy of it because it was so divine, and I blessed it and everything. So I gave it away, and I was super sad because at the end of it, I'm happy I gave it to the person that needed it. But then I don't have my Herkimer Diamond, but it's so neat how I got this one, guys. What? This is so cool. I can't wait to wear this baby. So awesome. Oh, and this amplifies intentions. Oh, I just love this, guys. And it's 925 sterling silver. This can be in the shower and all that good stuff. Oh my god, I love this. Thank you so much, Witch's Moon. I love this so much. The value you get in this box, guys, is crazy. And it always comes with that awesome cord that you guys can make it into a necklace with, or you can buy the sterling silver chain on their website. And there's another little pouch too, guys, with another stone. Look how good everything's packaged and so beautiful. They use purple paper in here to represent the high spiritual color purple while you work with your guides. Ooh, the incense smells so good, guys. The smell coming out of the box smells so good. This is pretty. I think this one's a clear quartz, guys. It's a little smoky looking. It looks a little milky too. This looks like clear quartz, but I'm gonna double check to make sure it's not something else. I knew it, guys. It looks like a clear quartz, but it has this milky translucent vibe that's making me think it's not a clear quartz. And it's called a Gruzel Quartz. To accompany you on your path, we have included a Gruzel Quartz. This very powerful and unique stone was placed within this collection to act as your guided reawakener, known for its ability to enhance your ability to visualize and reawaken passion and interest. The Gruzel crystal is a wonderful stone to keep close during times of dominant and stagnant growth. Oh, this is so cool, guys. The vibe and energy I'm getting from this is just curiosity, what are you gonna do? It's so cool. And you can even make that into a necklace if you wanted to. It's so pretty. Let's see what it says about the Herkimer Diamond necklace, guys. So this is a floating Herkimer Diamond 925 sterling silver compass pendant, guys. This extremely powerful piece was created specifically for the subscribers of the Witch's Bounty. Found near Herkimer, New York, the Herkimer Diamond is often referred to as a diamond due to the level of hardness and gloss it carries, compared to other clear quartz holding a hardness of 7.5 as stated by Robert Simmons. These crystals, beyond almost all others, are manifestations of pure solidified light. They emanate a high harmonious energy that positively sings on the upper levels of the quartz spectrum. Due to these qualities, the energy that positively sings on the upper levels of the quartz spectrum. Due to these qualities, the Herkimer Diamond is a wonderful stone to use during astral travel or communicating with guides such as angels or higher cosmic energies. As stated within the Compass of Cosmic Consciousness by A.E. Eldon, a stone of navigation, Herkimer Diamond amplifies the exploration of higher vibrations, purifying energy field and harmonizing the white light of divine essence. Herkimer Diamonds aid in the communication with the higher self, transcendent guides, and ethereal realms. These wonderful stones are a useful tool to work with to expand your comprehension of reality, although there may be times where anxiety and fear work to grip. You take time to work with the Herkimer Diamond to broaden your ability to release one perspective, allowing you to view the world as an endless cosmos. Know that there is a purity of wisdom hiding within each challenge. For more experienced work, Herkimer Diamond grids can be created to open doorways to a multitude of cosmic directions. As above, so below, as within, so without. Affirmation: I am purified and untethered by unwanted energies and perspectives. I explore the uncharted, exponential higher dimensions of knowledge and opportunity. Element of air and storm, charcoal associations are third eye and crown. I just love this so much, guys, and it's kind of funny how it's like with a compass and like the navigation thing around it, because on Instagram I just saw from like Once Upon a Time, guys, I don't know if you watched that show, but like Captain Hook, that character, he was reading a story like Peter Pan, and like it's totally got the wheel of his ship on here too, and it's just weird little things that I've seen recently, guys, that's like synchronicities, but I love this so much. It's so beautiful. So I need to really unbox this, guys, because I've been rambling so much. But let's see, there's a little magical anointing oil in here, guys. I wonder what this one is. Ooh, I just love their little potions. They're so magical. And whoa, this one's pretty translucent, so I'm guessing they use sunflower oil. It's so clear, guys. I see like Pablo Santo in here. I see something else that I can't tell what it is, and sage. Oh yeah, baby. This is the perfect one to work with the Ascended Masters. Divine Direction, Magical Anointing Oil. I can definitely see this as an oil with just the herbs in it already, guys, that would help you be in a path with the divine. What? This smells so good, guys. This smells like very masculine and not like sage like you would think. Like there's a little bit of orange, sage, and just this masculine essence in here, like probably an aphrodisiac. This is so good, guys. It smells so yummy. I love that oil so much and can't wait to work with it. And we got a pure white beeswax candle that we can use to call upon that divine angelic energy and just heaven energy with that white light, guys. It's a beautiful beeswax candle, so we can do some magic with that. And then the incense, we can't forget this. This is probably what I was smelling in the box. It just smells so light, airy, and free. Like I would want to meditate and I would want to go to different realms, like traveling with this scent, guys. It just smells like an opener, a gateway to open a portal to other dimensions. Like that smells so good, guys. Ooh, this box was so awesome. I love this month's Witch's Bounty box so much, guys. Honestly, might be one of my favorite pendants aside from the Tektite Crow. It was so much fun opening this box. Be sure, like I said, guys, down below to go ahead and check out the Witch's Moon. They have a couple different subscriptions, this one being the jewelry box, and then there's a box that's called the Moon box that you get a bunch of magical tools you can use to go ahead and do your magic and rituals. And the last one is the Roots box that has some herbs and fun things, and even necklaces sometimes, and bracelets that you guys can use to go ahead and create your magic and power and all that good stuff. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and like always, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below. And of course, until next time, I'll see you guys then. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again, magical souls. By earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you all be blessed and rejuvenated. May it be as above, so below, so mote it be. You guys see what I mean? Like that's crazy. Like my blazer that I'm wearing is the similar vibe of the artwork on here. Like, it's so neat. Like I said, the synchronicities between this, the Captain Hook thing, the shape around the pendant looking like his wheel, and I just got 4 1s on my recording timestamp, guys. Like, everything's so neat. So cool.